My name is Joydeep Barman. In this video, we will learn 5 fundamental categories of colon classification. In previous video, we have learned array and chain of colon classification. These are the basic concept of colon classification. Before we start the practicing of colon classification, we have to understand this basic concept. 5 fundamental categories of colon classification, array and chain of colon classification, system facet, special facet, canonical class of colon classification. Without understanding this basic concept, we cannot do practice. So let's start the video. In colon classification, the whole universe of knowledge divided into 42 main classes. Universe of knowledge means the whole knowledge. Means in simple word, there are 42 main classes in colon classification. These 42 main classes are generalia, library science, engineering, education, psychology, history, geography, political science, mathematics, chemistry, physics, etc. There are 42 main classes. But if a book or if a document deals with only colon classification, we know that colon classification is part of library science. In library science, there are many things. Library science deals with many things: colon classification, cataloging, Dewey Decimal classification, reference services, book selection. There are many things. These parts of the main classes are called isolate idea. These parts, in the case of child psychology, there are many isolate ideas. In the case of history, there are many isolated: Indian history, Asian history, European history. In the case of geography, there are many isolate ideas. In each and every main classes have many isolate ideas. Ranganathan categorized these isolate ideas, the whole isolate ideas, into 5 fundamental categories. There are many isolate ideas. There are hundreds of isolate ideas each and every main classes. But these hundreds of isolates, suppose there are hundreds isolates in a class, these hundreds isolates Ranganathan categorized into 5 groups. These are called the 5 fundamental category of colon classification. These 5 fundamental categories are personality, matter, energy, space, time. Ranganathan divided the whole isolate idea of a particular main class into 5 categories. These categories are personality, matter, energy, space, time. Here you can see in this slide, library science deals with many isolate ideas. Likewise, classification, book selection, public library, college library, library of 19th century, libraries in India, cataloging. There are many others isolate idea, have reference services. So these all are the isolate idea, and these all isolate idea are categorized into 5 categories. Okay, these 5 categories are called the 5 fundamental category of colon classification. Okay, the 5 fundamental category are personality. One category is personality. It indicates by P. The second one is matter. It indicates by M, capital M. The third one is energy. It indicates by capital E. The fourth one is space. It indicates by capital S. Fifth one is time. It is indicated by capital T. There is a schedule of library science. You can see that there are many isolate ideas. These all isolate ideas are divided by this 5 group of this 5 group. Okay, these 5 groups are fundamental category. Okay, now we have taken an example of a document. The document deals with the subject manuscript classification of district library in West Bengal in 2020. From this subject, we have to identify the main class, we have to identify the personality facet, we have to identify the matter facet, we have to identify the energy, we have to identify the space and time. The what will be the main class of the document? The main class will be, because it deals with the district library classification, the main class will be obviously library science. The main class will be library science. Now we have to identify the whole fundamental category from there. Here we can easily identify by 2020 that it will be the time isolate. It will be the time isolate. 2020 will be the time facet. Now from the West Bengal we can easily understand that it is indicating a place, so it will be a space facet. From the energy, now we have to find out the energy isolate. Why I am finding the isolate backward side? Because it is easy to find out the isolate idea from backward side, because from 2020 we can easily understand it indicating the time. So that's why I am finding the isolate idea from the backward side. Now energy, what is energy? Energy means to do something. Energy means which isolate idea indicating the action, it will be in energy category. So here classification means to classify the book, to classify the manuscript, to classify the journal. It is indicating an action. So classification will be in the category of energy. Now matter means the material. Here manuscript, books, journal, in the case of library science will be the matter category. Here manuscript will be in matter. After that personality, the rest part we have taken manuscript, we have taken classification, we have taken West Bengal, we have taken 2020. The rest part, that is district library. District library deals district library will be the personality facet, because it is very, district library is very close to library science. That's why it will be personality facet, in the category of personality facet. Here you see that I have written here in this slide the all isolate idea side by side, the category of the isolate idea. Here main class library science and personality facet district library, matter manuscript, energy isolate will be classification, space West Bengal, time. Now we have to give the notation of this isolate idea. I have to give the notation of the isolate idea. After giving the notation, our classification work will be done. So from where we get the notation? The schedule of the library science. Here the schedule of the library science. In this page you can find there is a facet formula. I have written here the facet formula according to this. Here 2 indicating the main class. Here 2 means the main class, that is library science. 2 means 11. After that we have to find out the personality facet notation. The personality facet. Here our personality facet is district library. We have to find out the notation of district library from the facet listed under the foci in P. P means personality. So here you can see the district library, the notation of district library is 2-1. That's why I have written here 2-1 for P. After that there is a connecting symbol semicolon for matter facet. I have written here semicolon. After that I have to find out the notation of M, matter facet. Here you can see that in foci in M there is no notation, there is a instruction. The instruction is same as foci in P for generalia bibliography. That means in generalia we can get the matter facet from the personality facet of generalia bibliography. We have to go to generalia bibliography. There is generalia bibliography. Under foci in P there is manuscript. The notation is the manuscript is 1-2. That's why I have written here 1 2 for the matter facet. Now I have given here colon. In the facet formula there is colon, that's why I have given written here colon. Now we have to find out the notation of energy. Our energy is classification. There are list of energy isolate. From there we have to find out the notation of classification. Here you can see that the notation of classification is 5-1. That's why I have written here 5-1. After that I have given a dot and written the notation of space isolate. Space isolate, our space isolate is West Bengal, and from where there is no space isolate, from where we will get the space isolate. The space isolate and the time isolate are common for all the main classes. That's why these space isolate and time isolate are separately given in the CSUT schedule, because in the all main classes we can use the same space isolate and same time isolate. That's why this space isolate and time isolate are given in CC separately. Here the space isolate are given in the chapter 4. In the chapter 4 you will find the space isolate. In the page number 2.12 you will get the from here you will get the number of West Bengal. In the parenthesis West. The notation of the West Bengal is 4475. I have written here 4415. But why I have given here dot? Because this is the rules. Before the space isolate we have to give the dot. Before space for connecting the space isolate we have to give the dot. You have to remember it. Okay. Now in the same way we will find the time isolate from the chapter 3. Here the screenshot of chapter 3 time isolate. Here you can see the in the notation of P indicating the 2000 to 2099. That means P indicating the whole century, the whole 21st century. Here P indicating the whole century. So how will we retain the notation of 2020? Here I have written P for 21st century, P for whole century. After that I have taken 2020 I have taken 2 means the second decade of the 21st century. This is the second decade of 21st century, and the 0 means the year of the 21st century, that is mean 2020. And I uses single inverted comma before time isolate, because this is the rules. For connecting the time isolate we have to use the single inverted comma. You have to remember these two things. Before space facet always we have to use the dot. Before time isolate we have to use the single inverted comma. In that way we have to find out the class number according to colon classification. I hope in this video you have learned lot about colon classification. In the next video I will discuss about the rounds and labels of the colon classification. Please friends, subscribe my channel and share the video, like my video, and if you have some problem about this video, you can comment on my comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, so take care, bye bye.